the Pond. A general fiction by Jolly Phonics. These are the tricky words introduced in Level 1. Was, to, he, we, the, I, of, do, me, she, be. Ten ducks. 10 ducks swim on a big pond. A big green frog. The big green frog sits on a log. Then the frog jumps into the pond. He lands with a loud splash. The 10 ducks flap off. And the frog has a big pond to himself. Thanks for watching. Please join us and support us by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. The Wind and the Sun. A general fiction by Jolly Phonics. High above the world, the mighty wind and the radiant sun began to argue, each convinced of their own incredible power. Let's see what happens when they decide to put their strengths to the test. These are the tricky words introduced in Level 1. Was, to, he, we, I, the, of, do, she, me, be, inky, and snake are friends. The wind and the sun argued. I am the strongest, shouted the wind. I am, glinted the sun. I bet I can get that man's coat off, boasted the wind. He tried hard, but the man just shivered and held onto his coat. I can do better, flashed the sun. It got hotter and hotter until the man took off his coat. The wind stormed off, and the sun just glittered. Thanks for watching. Have you enjoyed the story of the wind and the sun? If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back soon with another exciting reader from the Jolly Phonics Red level.